Yo, new keyboard, KBC Poker with Cherry MX red switches. Real compact keyboard. I just got it sitting on my MacBook right now. Use a detachable USB cable. Really light switches. Sounds really good, but I'm still bottoming out since it's so light. I'm gonna do a 1-minute speed test because I know people who watch these videos really want to see and hear how it sounds. So I'm gonna try not to bottom out, but when I'm typing faster, I usually will. But yeah, here goes for a minute typing test state. So not bad. You can see that 103 words per minute, 2 incorrect, 549 characters per minute. Anyway, these are the PBT keycaps, so there's like a texture on it. These are just ABS right here. The escape is also the tilde, which can be locked in using the function layer, so it's always escape. And then I just put 0 and F10 for red, just a little StarCraft thing. So yeah, I swapped the Windows key and the Alt because I made this one the command key for OS X, and this is actually a function. I made this function key via the dip switches on the bottom. But yeah, you can see the size of it compared to like the MacBook keyboard. Pretty similar. The dip switches on the bottom, which lets you control certain functions on the keyboard. KBC Poker. Red switches. And the PCB board is also red, which is kind of cool. Anyway, yep. I really like this keyboard. It's a linear feel, so there's no tactile actuation feel. It's just, you know, that will actuate the key about right there. But yeah, it can be really quiet if you're not bottoming out. So yeah, it hasn't really bothered me. I kind of like the sound, but there's always the soft landing pads that you can use. But let's see if this can get, you can see the texture on these keys. That's the PBT. I like that a lot. On the function layer, you can see a front printed on there, which actually works well. You hold function and say volume down, up. Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. KBC Poker, Cherry MX Red PBT Keycaps.